Hello, today we're going to work on lesson 15 and let's first find the elapsed time using a clock. So let's look at number 1. For number 1, we have start time and end time. So start time is 10:10 a.m. and end time is 11:40 a.m. So we need to first look at the minutes. It became 10 to 40. So 40 minus 10 is 30. So 30 minutes. And now 10 became 11. So 11 minus 10 is 1. Therefore, 1 hour and 30 minutes have elapsed for number 1. Let's look at number 2. So for number 2, it says that the start time is 7:15 a.m. and end time is 9:30 a.m. So 15 has become 30, and 30 minus 15 is 15, so 15 minutes. And 7 has become 9, so 9 minus 7 is 2, so 2 hours and 15 minutes is the answer for number 2. Let's look at number 5. So for number 5, it says the start time is 9:15 a.m. and end time is 11:35 a.m. So 15 has become 35, and now we need to subtract 15 from 35, which is 20. So 20 minutes. And now we need to subtract 9 from 11, since 9 became 11. So 11 minus 9 is 2. Therefore, 2 hours and 20 minutes is the answer for number 5. Let's move on to number 7. So for number 7, it gives us the start time is 11:25 p.m. and end time is 1:30 a.m. So after 12 o'clock p.m. changes to a.m. and if it was 12 a.m. after if it was 11:59 p.m. then it would change to a.m. after 12 o'clock. So after 1 minute it would be a.m. And reversely, if it was 11:59 a.m., then it would become, after 1 minute, it would become 12 p.m. So at noon, it changes. Now, 25 minute has become 30. So 30 minus 25 is 5. And for this one, we can't really subtract for this hour. So 11 has become 1. So first, 11 plus 1 hour becomes 12. And then 12 plus 1 more hour is 1. So it's 2 hours. Since 11 plus 2 more hours becomes 1. So 2 hours and 50 minutes is the answer for number 7. So let's move on to the next page. For this page, we need to find the end time using a clock. So let's look at number 1. For number 1, the start time is 8:10 a.m. and the elapsed time is 1 hour and 25 minutes. Let's add 25 to 10. So 25 plus 10 is 35, And now we need to find the hour. We need to add 1 hour to 8, which is 9. So it's 9:35 a.m. It's a.m. since it started at 8:10 a.m. So after 1 hour and 25 minutes, it would be still a.m. So let's look at number 7. So for number 7, it says the start time is 10:10 p.m. and the elapsed time is 1 hour and 45 minutes. So we need to first add 45 to 10 the minute. And so 10 plus 45 is 55. And now we need to add 1 to 10, which is 11:55 p.m. Let's look at number 9. So for number 9, it says the start time is 11:15 a.m. and the elapsed time is 2 hours and 15 minutes. So for this one, it would change to p.m. since it passes 12 o'clock. So we need to first add 15 minutes to the minute side. So 15 plus 15 is 30. And then now we need to add 2 hours to 11. So if we add 2 hours, there's until 12 o'clock and then it becomes 1 again. So if it was 11, and if we add 1 more hour, it would become 12. And if we add 1 more hour, it would become 1 o'clock. So 11 plus 2 hours is 1 o'clock. And then we need to change it a.m. to p.m. because it passed 12 o'clock. Every time it passes 12 o'clock, we need to change the a.m. to p.m. or p.m. to a.m. So 1:30 p.m. is the answer for number 9. Thank you.